Bryce Canyon National Park, located in Utah, USA, is renowned for its unique geological formations called hoodoos. These spire-shaped rock formations, carved by erosion over millions of years, create a surreal and otherworldly landscape. The park features a series of amphitheaters filled with these colorful hoodoos, presenting a breathtaking vista of red, orange, and white rock pillars. Visitors can explore the park via various hiking trails, witness stunning viewpoints like Sunset Point and Sunrise Point, and experience the park's natural beauty and geological wonders.